Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Normally wolves travel in packs of about 6 to 8 family members, a pair of adult parents and their offspring from perhaps the last 3 years. The parents, called the alpha male and the alpha female, share the pack leadership. The alpha male dominates the males. The alpha female dominates the females. Alpha wolves are easy to spot because a wolf's tail tells its rank in the pack. The higher a wolf carries its tail, the higher its rank. Alpha wolves are leaders for up to 8 years. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.